In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Sodium mod for Minecraft 26.1 on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java downloaded to your Mac, so if you don't have it already, then I'll leave that video linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is to download Minecraft 26.1 to our Mac. So to do this, we first want to open the Minecraft launcher, and then you want to select Java Edition in the left hand side menu. From here, you want to select 26.1 from the release version and select play. When Minecraft opens up, we can now select quit game, and we can also exit out of the Minecraft launcher, and now we can begin to install Sodium to Minecraft. The first thing we need to do is to download the modding platform Fabric so we can install the Sodium mod later. To do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to fabricmc.net, and I'll leave this linked in the description. From here, you want to select download, and then you want to select download installer universal.jar, and then you want to go ahead and save the installer to your Mac. We also need to download the Fabric API as most mods require this. So to do that, you want to select the Fabric API link below the download button, and this will take you to the CurseForge website. From here, you want to select the Files tab, and then you want to scroll down and find your Minecraft version, which is 26.1, and select it. Now we want to scroll up again and select the black download button, and then after a few seconds the download should automatically begin, and again you want to save the Fabric API to your Mac. So now we've downloaded Fabric and the Fabric API, we just need to download the Sodium mod. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to a modding website for your choice. In this example, I'm using modroof.com. From here, we're going to scroll down and select Discover Mods, and then you want to find the Sodium mod, which is listed here. Once we've selected it, we're inside the mod page. We're going to select the Versions tab at the top, and then we're going to scroll down and find our Minecraft version, which is 26.1. It's also important to note that this is for the Fabric platform, which in this case it is. So once we're ready, we're going to select the download button to the right of it, and then we're going to download the Sodium mod to our Mac. So now we've downloaded everything, we just need to install. So to do this, we first want to select the Fabric installer, and if you get this pop-up, we just need to approve it in the system settings. So to do that, we want to select the Apple logo in the top left, and in the drop down menu, select System Settings. Once we're inside the System Settings, we're going to scroll down, and you want to select Privacy and Security, and you want to scroll down again, and you should see the Fabric installer, and you want to select Open Anyway. You see this pop up, so you're going to select Open Anyway, and then you'll need to use Touch ID or a password. And after a couple of seconds, the Fabric loader will open, and it will look like this. Inside of the Fabric installer, you want to select the version drop down menu and select your Minecraft version, which is 26.1, and for the loader version, we're going to keep this on the latest version. Now you want to make sure Create Profile has been selected, and then we're going to select Install. Once it's installed, we're going to select OK, and then we're going to exit out of the Fabric installer, and you can also delete it from your Mac if you'd wish to do so. So now we've installed Fabric, we just need to install the Fabric API and the Sodium mod. So to do this, we first want to open our Minecraft launcher, and you want to make sure you're on Java Edition, and then you want to select Installations at the top. From here, you'll see the new Fabric profile. Just to the right of it, you want to select the file icon, and this will open your Finder. From here, you want to scroll down and find the mods folder and select it. Now you want to drag and drop the Fabric API and Sodium mod inside of the mods folder, just like this. So now we've done that, we can exit out of the Finder, and now we just want to go ahead and play Minecraft with our mods. So to do that, you want to select the Play tab, and then in the Release drop down menu, select the Fabric loader, and then select Play. When Minecraft opens, you know you've done this correctly because it will say your Minecraft version with modded in brackets in the bottom left hand corner. So all we need to do now is to go into our Sodium settings, so we're going to select Options, and then Video Settings, and you notice it's changed because of Sodium. Now if you want to get better performance, generally speaking, all we need to do is to lower the render distance and simulation distance. You can also toggle some other settings here as well. So once ready, we're going to select Done, and select Done again, and we can start playing Minecraft with Sodium, just as we normally would. So as you can see, I've just loaded into my Minecraft world, and we can see our FPS if we press Fn and F3, and we can see the FPS value in the top left hand corner. As you can see, I'm currently hovering around 200 FPS. So now we know this information, we can start playing Minecraft with Sodium, just as we normally would. And that's it, so if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and consider hitting the join button below. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.